Okay, so we're going back to general solutions from grade 11. General solutions, but now we're going to obviously include double angles and compound angles. And we're going to do the same kind of thing, but just include this also now. So if you think of sine x cos 20 minus cos x sine 20, it's obviously the same as sine x minus 20. Okay, equal to 0.38. Okay, so we got a compound angle. We know we can change it to sine x minus 20. So now it's positive, right? It's not negative 0.38, it's positive 0.38, which means, what do we know about sine? Where is it positive? Remember the first and the second quadrant. If you think of the cast again, you can always just go back to the cast and think. Okay, cos is positive there, all are positive there, sine is positive here, and tan is positive over there. So if we know it's positive, and it's sine, then we know it has to be all in sine, first and second quadrant. Okay, so we know our solution must be in the first and the second quadrant. That's our two options. That's our two solutions. So now we first check what is second function sine of 0.38. What is? And we get x minus 20 equal to? Okay. 22.33. Okay. So we're going to say the angle x minus 20, because this is my angle, must be equal to 22.33. Okay. Or it must be equal to 180 minus 22.33. Because this is like my theta now. Theta, 180 minus theta. So the angle must be 22.33 or 180 minus 22.33. But now we just have to put in the rest of the thing, that long thing that we always write at the end. So we have to say theta plus 360 times k element z. You have to put in that part. Because remember, it's a general solution. So after 360, it repeats. After every 360, the trigonometric, the sine graph and the cos graph repeats itself. So we're going to say this is our one option. Okay? Let's first finish this one. So when we take the negative 20 over, we can say therefore x is going to be 22 plus 20. So it's 42.33 plus 360 times k element z. So this one is finished. There's the answer. That is now for the first quadrant where sine is positive, but it's also positive in the second quadrant. So then we say or x minus 20 must be equal to 180 minus theta. So 180 minus 22.33. Okay, theta, 180 minus theta. And then again, we just put in the plus 360 times k element z. And then we take the, therefore, we take the 20 over. So negative 20 plus 20 is 200 minus 22.33. So it's 200, so it's minus, so it's going to be 177.67. And then plus 360 times k element z. And then there's my two solutions. General solutions. General solutions means it stays like this. 360 times k. Okay, 360 times k. Okay, so there's an example of how we do the trigonometry, the general solutions of the trigonometry in grade 12 with the double angles. Okay.